Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy to sit down and practice English with you again today. Today, we are going to learn about something we all do, but in a modern way. We are going to talk about buying food online. Using the internet to buy groceries or order dinner is very common now. It is convenient. It saves time. But if you are learning English, using a website or an app to buy food can feel a little bit complicated. There are new words to learn, like delivery, shopping cart, checkout, and payment. In this lesson, we will listen to a simple story about Sophie. Sophie is very busy today, so she decides to buy her groceries using an app on her phone. We will hear how she chooses her food, how she checks her list, and how she interacts with the delivery person. As always, I am going to speak very slowly and very clearly. I will use simple grammar and easy words so you can relax your mind and listen deeply. After the story, we will do our repeat after me speaking practice. Take a deep breath, let your shoulders drop, and let's begin. It is a rainy Friday afternoon. Outside, the sky is gray and the rain is falling heavily. Sophie is sitting at her kitchen table. She is working on her laptop computer. She is very busy today. She has a lot of work to finish before the weekend. Suddenly, Sophie's stomach makes a loud sound. Rumble. She laughs quietly. I am hungry, she whispers to herself. She stands up and walks to her refrigerator. She opens the door and looks inside. The refrigerator is almost empty. There is only a small bottle of milk and a jar of mustard. She closes the refrigerator door and opens the kitchen cupboard. Inside the cupboard, there is only a packet of salt and an empty box of cereal. Sophie sighs. She needs food. She needs groceries for the weekend. But she looks out the window at the heavy rain. She does not want to walk to the supermarket in the rain. She also does not have time because she has to finish her work. Then, Sophie has an idea. She says,
I can buy my food online.
She walks back to the kitchen table and picks up her smartphone. She opens a popular grocery app. The app is bright green and very easy to use. On the screen, it says, Fresh Market Online. Sophie clicks on the search bar. First, she wants to buy some fresh vegetables. She types the word, tomatoes. Instantly, pictures of red, juicy tomatoes appear on the screen. She clicks a small button that has a plus sign. The app says, Added to shopping cart. She chooses 4 tomatoes. Next, she types, bananas. She loves to eat yellow bananas in the morning. She adds a bunch of 5 bananas to her digital shopping cart. Sophie takes a small piece of paper and a pen. She writes down a quick list so she does not forget anything important. On her paper, she writes bread, eggs, milk, chicken. She goes back to her phone app. She searches for the bakery section. She finds a loaf of whole wheat bread. She clicks the button to add it to her cart. Then, she searches for the dairy section. She needs eggs and milk. She selects a box of 12 white eggs and a large carton of fresh milk. She looks at her paper list. Bread checked. Eggs checked. Milk checked. Finally, she needs meat for dinner. She types the word, chicken. She finds 2 pieces of fresh chicken breast and adds them to her cart. Sophie is finished choosing her food. Now, she clicks on the icon in the top right corner of her screen. The icon looks like a small supermarket basket. This is her shopping cart. She reviews her list on the screen to check the total price. She sees the tomatoes, the bananas, the bread, the eggs, the milk, and the chicken. Everything is correct. The total price is $25. Sophie clicks a big orange button at the bottom of the screen. The button says, Proceed to checkout. Now, the app asks for her address. Sophie types her address carefully, apartment 4B, 50, Oak Street. Next, the app asks for the delivery time. There are different options. She can choose delivery tomorrow, or she can choose fast delivery today. Sophie is hungry now, so she chooses express delivery. The app says the food will arrive in 45 minutes. Finally, it is time for the payment. The app asks for her credit card information. Sophie takes her shiny blue credit card out of her wallet. She types the long number into her phone. She also types her name and the security code. She takes a deep breath and clicks the final button, Place Order. Ding! A happy sound comes from her phone. A message appears on the screen. Thank you, Sophie. Your order is confirmed. A delivery driver is collecting your food now. Sophie smiles and puts her phone down. Buying food online was so simple. She did not have to walk in the rain, and she did not have to stand in a long line at the supermarket. She sits down at her laptop and continues to work. She feels very relaxed. 30 minutes pass quickly. Sophie is typing on her computer when her phone makes a sound. She looks at the screen. The app shows a map. On the map, there is a small icon of a bicycle moving toward her street. The app says, your delivery driver, Peter, is nearby. 5 minutes later, Sophie hears a knock at her front door. Sophie stands up, walks to the door, and opens it. A young man wearing a bright green jacket and a warm smile is standing in the hallway. He is holding 2 large brown paper bags. The bags look full and heavy. The delivery man says politely,
Good afternoon. Are you Sophie?
Yes, I am Sophie. Good afternoon.
Here are your groceries from Fresh Market Online.
Peter says, handing her the heavy paper bags. Sophie takes the bags carefully.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Everything is inside. The eggs are on top so they do not break.
Oh, that is very kind of you. Thank you.
Sophie says with a big smile.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
He turns and walks down the hallway toward the elevator. Sophie closes the door with her foot and carries the heavy bags to the kitchen table. She sets them down and begins to take out the food. She pulls out the red tomatoes, the yellow bananas, the fresh bread, the carton of milk, and the chicken. Finally, she carefully lifts the box of eggs. None of them are broken. Everything is fresh and perfect. Sophie puts the milk and the chicken into her refrigerator. Now, her refrigerator is not empty anymore. It is full of healthy food. She feels very happy and proud. She used her English skills to navigate the app, she completed the checkout process, and she spoke politely to the delivery person. Sophie takes a banana, peels it, and takes a bite. It is sweet and delicious. Now that she has good food in her kitchen, she is ready to finish her work and enjoy a wonderful, relaxing weekend. She realizes that modern technology makes life very easy, and buying food online in English is a skill she can use again and again. Now, my friend, it is your turn to practice. Speaking out loud on your own is the best way to prepare for using apps or talking to delivery workers in real life. I will say a common, useful phrase that you can use when buying food online. I will pause, and you must repeat this sentence out loud in a clear, confident voice. Let's practice together. I want to buy food online. Where is the shopping cart? I am ready to check out now. Please add this to my cart. How much is the delivery fee? I want express delivery, please. My address is 50 Oak Street. Can I pay with a credit card? Is my order confirmed? The delivery driver is outside. Thank you for bringing my food. Are the eggs inside the bag? Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time. Now, my friend, I am going to tell a short part of Sophie's story again. This time, I will speak at a natural, slightly faster speed. Just relax your mind and listen to how the words connect together. Try to capture the overall meaning of the paragraph. Sophie was working hard at her kitchen table on a rainy Friday when she realized she was completely out of groceries. Since it was pouring outside and she didn't have time to go to the supermarket, she decided to order her food online using a grocery app. She quickly searched for items like fresh tomatoes, bananas, bread, eggs, milk, and chicken, adding each one to her digital shopping cart. After checking the total price, she proceeded to the checkout page, typed in her apartment address, and selected Express Delivery so the food would arrive quickly. She entered her credit card information to pay for the order and received an instant confirmation message. Less than 45 minutes later, a friendly delivery driver knocked on her door and handed her 2 large bags full of fresh groceries, making her afternoon much easier and highly productive. You did a magnificent job today. I am so happy that you stayed and practiced with me until the very end of this video. Buying food online or using new digital services can feel a bit confusing when you are learning English. But as you saw with Sophie, the process follows the same simple steps every time. Choosing items, checking your cart, typing your address, and paying. By practicing these terms today, you are making yourself ready for the real world. Every lesson you complete helps you grow. Thank you so much for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If this lesson made you feel more comfortable about shopping or ordering online, please click that like button right now. Your likes help my channel reach more amazing students around the world. Remember to share this video with a friend who is also trying to improve their everyday English. And if you want to keep building your vocabulary with me every single week, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now, I have a quick question for you to practice your English writing in the comments. Do you prefer to go to the supermarket, or do you like to buy your food online? Let me know below. I read every single comment, and I love reading your responses. Keep practicing, stay positive, and always remember to be proud of your progress. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.